In the cold light of dawn, a dancer, said to be impersonating Abba or Sago, and wearing a mask which resembles in form a sago palm, dances over a fire. As outsiders, it's not hard for us to appreciate the atmosphere of exotic mystery which pervades a scene like this. But it is much harder for us to gain insight into the meaning which the dancers have for the villagers themselves. To them, this ceremony is neither sensational nor unfamiliar, but rather the keenly anticipated climax of each year. The ritual will unfold over 2 days of meticulously orchestrated activity, which binds the villagers together in a dense web of shared meanings and symbolic allusions. We can do little more than glimpse the broad outlines of this labyrinth of meaning, which is danced out rather than spoken aloud. Even so, we can learn enough to see the point of this defiant masquerade, mounted by people who are, by any standards, materially impoverished and politically weak. The ritual culminates in the appearance of the Red Bowman, and a symbolic victory over death and the disintegration which threatens the villagers' world. Punda village, where the dances are taking place, is set in hilly and densely forested country a few miles from the border between Papua New Guinea and Indonesian Irian Jaya. Despite its lush appearance, the environment is an unhealthy one for man. Soils are of low fertility, and the inadequate diet, combined with the effects of endemic malaria, mean that population densities remain very low, less than 1 person per square mile.